Gives us some time to do an exclusive conversation. Now, RVNL, as you just heard from my colleague Vivek, has reached an agreement with its Russian partner for the Vande Bharat order. So there is a lot of clarification that has come out on that front. The company's arm, Kinet Railway Solutions, and the Russian entities have finalized the partnership terms. So Rajesh Prasad, who's the Director of Operations at RVNL, joins us now to talk about that. Mr. Prasad, thanks a lot for joining in. If you can just give us a little more granular details on this entire partnership. What is the bid amount? What is your share in this partnership? What is the Russian partner share? And if you can give us any more clarity on what is the kind of timeline that we are looking at?
Very good morning to all of you, and it is always nice to get connected to a esteemed TV channel. So you are asking about the 200 sets of Vande Bharat trains that it tenders. This is basically a modernization of coaches. Today I was going through a newspaper and where I found that Ministry of Railway is trying to basically renew these 800 old coaches. These Vande Bharat coaches are having better safety parameters, more comfortable, they are faster, and aerodynamically it is designed. It has got faster acceleration, faster deceleration. So we have got a contract of 120 train sets and at the rate of 120 crores, and these train sets will be manufactured at Latur. This has got the comprehensive maintenance component, and the average cost is around 4% every year for this 120 train sets. So as you have said correctly, that the shareholder agreement, AOA, etc., have been signed on 28/7/2023, only few days back. And if you recall correctly, we had signed the share purchase agreement on 17th of July. And you mentioned about the Kinet Railway Solutions Limited. This company was incorporated in April 2023. So now the shareholding pattern is that MWM is having 70%, RVNL is having 25%, ALES is having 5%.
Mr.
Now
Prasad,
you have asked about the roadmap.
Sure.
Mr. Prasad, if you could allow us to please come in over here. What we are also trying to understand is that the understanding in the market was that you were trying to increase your share in the JV beyond 25%. Originally, it was 25% with the Metro Wagon Mash at 70%, but you were apparently trying to increase that share. Is that right? And now is this final, basically, that your share will be at 25%?
We had clarified this in the stock exchanges, number one. And whatever we were trying, it was in the interest of the project, it was in the interest of RVNL, it was in the interest of government, and it was in the interest of the nation.
Okay, got it. So, Mr. Prasad, good morning. You said a train set.
So let me complete this. Let me complete this answer. You had asked about the roadmap. So now the next step is the execution of MCMA. MCMA is the maintenance the manufacturing agreement. And the first prototype, the coach is to be manufactured at Latur within 2 years. And the second, 2 months after that, 2 years. And subsequently, 12 numbers in the first year, and then 18 next year, and then 25 onwards every year. So, and the maintenance part will be taken care of at Delhi, Jodhpur, and Bangalore. So we are going to upgrade the infrastructures at Latur, where we will be manufacturing, and some of the depots in Delhi and Jodhpur and Bangalore, we may have to upgrade that. So this is the roadmap of this, and this has got a maintenance component of 35 years. Yeah.
Okay, got it. So two questions. One, so total value over the lifetime, including manufacture and maintenance, is how much, sir?
See, if you see the total cost of the project, it is around 35,000 crores, 36,000 crores. Out of that, 8,700 crores will be our share.
And you said, sorry, what is your share?
25%, so it is 1/4, so it will be around 8,700 crores.
Right. And you will make 4%, as you said. Your margin.
The 4% is the maintenance component. See, the 120 train sets will be manufactured at Latur. And then these 120 train sets will be maintained for 35 years at different depots. The names of the depots I have just now said. And the average cost of that particular maintenance component will be 4%. So 120 crore, 4% for 120 train sets. This will continue over a period of 35 years. So if you want to see the total numbers, so 120 trains will be around 15,000 crores. and more than 4% into 120 into 35 years into 120, that will be around 20,000 plus, and it makes around 36,000 crores. This is a rough calculation which I just wanted to give.
Okay. Mr. Prasad, lest we run out of time, I have to ask you about the OFS as well. The government has reduced its stake by about 5.5%, 5.3% to be precise. Have they given any indications to pare their stake further? And if you can just help us what the response to the OFS has been?
See, I'll take few seconds before coming to your questions. This company is 20 years, 6 months old, and it has an authorized capital of 3,000 crores and paid up share capital of 2,085 crores. The first IPO came in the April 2019, 12.16%. Then OFS 1 was 9.64%. Now, during that time, approval was taken for 15%. So the remaining part was 5.36%. So this time OFS 2 was 5.36%, which had an option of 1.96% through Green's SU option. So the floor price was 119, and the money which has been collected through OFS 2 was 1365 crores, more than 1350 crores. And earlier IPO was 475 crores and OFS 1 was 550 crores. The response was very positive. You can see the tweets made by the Secretary Deepam sir. He had also said that this has been very, very successful. In fact, in first day, the subscription was 2.73 times the institutional investors. So what I want to tell you is that we are serving the nations through this.
Mr. Prasad, I agree. Yes. I just, one more question. I mean, any indications of whether the government plans to bring down their stake further?
See, madam, the first requirement was the MPS. What exactly is MPS? This is as per the SEBI regulations. That is the minimum public shareholders. That minimum should be 25%. So we have crossed that barrier of 25%. To be precise enough, it is now 72.84%. And further decision will be taken by the Government of India, Ministry of Finance and Ministry of Railways. We have got no role to play in this. But what we want to do is that we want to create more and more infrastructures. We want to serve nation in a much better manner.
Mr. Prasad, exactly. I want to go back to that point because in this conversation earlier you made a point that whatever you were trying to do, that is increase your partnership in the JV, was in the interest of the nation, in the interest of infrastructure creation. I want to go back. That's not happened. Your stake in this JV remains at 25%. So I want to understand, yes, we know all the details of the present Vande Bharat order, but have all the outlier things been settled? Because you wanted something, you've not got it. Now you're going ahead with the present 25%, 70% sort of structure. And what does it mean for future contracts and the future of this partnership itself with the Russian entity?
See, you please try to appreciate this, that the MOU was signed with the same percentage. And some news came up, and then we made the clarifications. And we had signed the shareholder agreement as per the MOU. So this is as per the plan, and the project is on track, and we will deliver the best quality product for the Indian Railways and Government of India. This much I can assure you.
Got it. And we take your point of view. Those were news reports, so you never.
It was a news report, but we clarified.
Correct. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying it was. There was no flip-flop on your part, on the company's part. You were at that share. There was speculation maybe you were negotiating for a higher stake, and now you kind of put out where things stand right now.
But whatever I have said, it is perfect, that it was in the interest of the project, it was in the interest of the RVNL,
absolutely.
It was in the interest of Government of India, and it was the interest of the nation also.
Got it. Mr. Prasad, what is the order book now, sir? I don't think we've had an update.
So the order book has now gone up. We have got around 65,000 crores. 35,000 crores is through the nomination, and the bidding part has now gone up to 30,000 crores. And if you realize that we have started participating in less than 2 years, we have participated in 169 bids and total costing around 95,000 crores, and we have got 30,000 crores. Few bids are yet to be finalized, so the success rate is more than 25%. and we want to have a target to have the order book of 75,000 crores to 1 lakh crores. So we are coming nearer to 75,000 crores.
That's on. What's the timeline? And this is the bidding projects that you're talking about. 75,000 to 1 lakh.
I'm talking about the total order book of 75,000 crores to 1 lakh. And bidding is 30,000 crores. Madam, you please kindly realize that this is a government company, and we have molded ourselves, and it is less than 2 years that we have gone into the market, and we are executing the projects, and we have got the orders of 30,000 crores from the market.
Sir, if you can just tell us a little bit about the Mumbai Metro order. What's the latest on that? What's the quantum, the timeline, execution, etc.?
See, we are executing 6 to 7 cities, the metro cities, and metro segment is one of the preferred segments. And we are involved in all kinds of the basically projects life cycle of the metro segment, starting from the depot track, the civil engineering, the system. So Mumbai Metro, most probably it was the system tender. I do not remember exactly. The biggest order of the metro is from the Chennai Metro, where we have got 4 orders. One is the elevated and 3 the underground packages. And the first order which we got from the Indore Metro, and that particular project is also moving very well. And the first overseas project of Maldives is also moving very well. So what I can tell you is the projects which we have started bidding and got in the beginning, they have started giving the results. And the margins, etc., are also as per the previous margins available. And we are very much satisfied the way we have progressed. And 2 months back, we have also been given the status of Navratna. So congratulations to all the esteemed TV viewers, because after that we have not interacted. So so everything is moving well, and hope to see better improvements in time to come.
Absolutely, Mr. Prasad. Congratulations to you as well and to the entire team. And you have ambitious targets ahead of 1 lakh crores in the form of total order book. So good luck with all of those plans, and we hope to keep talking to you as we progress along down the year. Thank you very much for joining in today.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Okay, with that, let's move on to our next management call. Equitas Small Finance